What's up? What's going on, everybody? Willy Milly Trades here. Markets closed on a Tuesday afternoon, February 27th. I think we're gonna do a first time trade recap of how the day went. Kind of need to just clear the air, clear the mind. I'd go out for a walk with the dog right now, but it's pouring outside, so he's pretty furry too, so I definitely don't want to spend 25 minutes cleaning him after. Hopefully the rain will just stop soon. But yeah, I don't know. It was a weird kind of day. For the New York session, 9:30 open. I mean, we have since 9:30 we have these highs at 18,032s, lows of 17,910s, 120 point range today. Started off at 9:30 with this dump down, retraced back up to the opening price. Tried going higher here. We failed, so we broke these lows, made a lower high, and then broke these two lows again. I don't know. We had a green day on our evaluations and a red day on our PA accounts. It's the opposite of what we want. I mean, obviously we want both green on evals and PA, but if that's not gonna happen, then I hope to maybe have green PAs, red evals. Who knows? Maybe not every single day can be a green day. Gotta learn to have a losing day. Be a good loser. Learn from losing. Learn to be wrong. I should have listened to myself and accepted that I was wrong. I don't know that line between accepting or just, there's a line and I'm always on the wrong side. It's just 50-50 decision making and I'm on the wrong side of it. So about $135 green on the eval and a $70 red day on our PA. Trading just micros. Trading just micros because I know that I blow up using minis. I could probably, if I'm in a losing trade, if I'm holding a losing micro, I could scalp minis for small gains. But if I go into it just trading minis, then that usually doesn't work out for me. At this point, I need to create a strategy system. But here's our evaluation. Minimize this so we can see it. You see that okay? Usually I come into the day with a plan and I don't end up following it. It's just, I don't know. We got some things that we need to work through. So I saw this huge sell-off. I gotta stop buying these. It's real dangerous to buy these. So took our first long right at 18,000. Little psych level. Have some support. Let's see, let's scroll to the left. Support, resistance, breakout, broke down below it, bought it, and it kept falling. And at that point, I'm probably a little nervous, like, damn, of course. Should have waited for these green candles to show me that it wanted to bounce. And so I took it off break even. I have no idea what this is. Maybe I took 2 cons, maybe I took 3 cons, I don't know. Can't remember exactly how many cons I took, but it looks like we scaled at break even. And we took another winner about 5 points up. Or maybe that's a sell, I don't know. Okay, this is what happened. Took our break even and immediately spikes through, hits our target, and at that point I'm like, of course, classic. Keeps going up. I took a short here at 1805s and we ripped up to the 1830s. I got lucky and I got out here at 17995s on this huge rip lower. Have another pretty big sell-off. Again, it's not something that I want to buy, but buying it still always early on my entry. But we take 15-point scalp. And it runs up to the highs. 50 points. Then another one. Took a long here. And we took a partial fill to get out, lock in some profits, and then it just dumped down, just slowly grinded down. For some reason I took all of these longs right at 18. Right at 18. This one at 17,950s, and we got a bigger winner. So we had a hold through drawdown and got out at the perfect time before it made another 90-point move lower. And at that point, we're up 135 on our evals. We could push it, but for some reason, I guess we decided to move on to our PA accounts. And looking at this market, just made this move lower. We took out liquidity. I had these lows from the opening Asian session down here at the 25s, 27s. We came down and we took that out, wicked it. I'm trying to play it at the heart of it. I guess I am a contrarian trader. I do not trade with the trend. I need to figure out how to, for some reason. I don't know if I ever am or I'm never holding the winning position while it's trending. Seems like when I get in, it's either drawdown, it's chop, or it's squeezing straight against me. And that's exactly what happened. We broke these lows here. That's probably where we should have shorted. Could have cut a couple points maybe. missed that entry, so we see this and we think it could get rejected up here. We go short. Normally I probably would have gone long, you know, go back all the way up to the highs, why not? And it's always the opposite, I'm telling you, it's always the opposite. Look, perfect entry short, or I guess you should have went long. Hit a low, retraced, internal swing high. Never took out these lows. Chopped around this area. And we just pushed straight up. Pushed straight up. At the time, this 4-hour candle was so freaking bearish too. Like, just keep on buying the dip, buy the pullback. But it's like, I've done that before and we drop 100 points. In my head at this time, I'm like, let's try something different. I never go short here. I probably would have went long here. I always, you know, you either win or you lose, and we never even hit profit once, so I don't even know what to say. Two points, not even, like, that's crazy. But luckily it's still a small loser. It's been a tough last 2 weeks for some reason. Just this hard market. I don't know about all of you guys, but we have 3 more funded accounts. This one we have about $840 in drawdown because we took a payout. This one I've been trading for 2 weeks and look, we're $20 in profit. We have $2,430 in drawdown remaining. And then this other account is a 150K account. That one, you know, you need to figure out what to do. Previously, when I was trading my 2 evals, it was almost like I would take a payout and then my next account was that I was trading while I was waiting for the payout to be approved was about $1,000 something in profit. So this time I'm pretty much starting from scratch after I took out that last payout. Made a few costly mistakes, and I guess we're kind of just taking it slow, trying to figure out what I want to do, how I want to trade. I have 3 lifetime payouts, but it's not the way that I want to trade. But it's profitable. I mean, it's profitable unless it doesn't work out. If it doesn't work out, then the account's probably blown. I'm not trying to blow these accounts in one day. So we just need to start taking our loss. We just gotta start taking our loss. That's about it. Like, I see these setups happen real time, and I get in and maybe like 5 seconds before the candle closes, it just flips the opposite way. It if I am patient and I wait, then it just freaking goes and I never get an entry in. I guess that's how I gotta start playing it. It's almost like you're waiting for the entry. And it comes to me. Should I take it? Maybe I should get it if it just goes. If I don't get it, you know? If I wait for this to close. 13's maybe up there, I don't know. Alright, that's pretty much how our day went. We're gonna try to come back tomorrow. Mentally better, stronger, more disciplined, more focused. Again, every day we're just trying to follow our rules. Use a stop loss. And hold winners. It's difficult. Like you look at these charts afterwards and you're just like, wow, it's perfect. But then in real time when you're looking at it, it's just, I guess it's always 50-50. You never know until it happens. Where should I have gotten out? I have no idea where I should have gotten out. Like we made new lows here, and then we took out these highs. Like, I don't know. I could look at it as the same thing. Like, made new lows here. All right, we took out these highs. Made new lows here. Did not take out these highs. Just knew it was bullish. Like this, a nice flag structure on the 4-hour chart. But we dropped down to the 17,908, and that's just, I don't know. So we'll just stop dwelling on it. There's no quit in us. We just gotta keep on pushing. On this 5-minute chart, we're pushing up here. I see this trend down. It's just a bad entry, like 21 EMA, 9 EMA. I guess it wasn't a strong trend and we just pushed up, so I probably should have just gone out up here at the 67s. All right. Well, if you believe today's Tuesday, right? Yep. So Apex is having their 80% off sale. Pretty sure that ends tonight. This coupon code, this 80% sale, can be used on any size evaluation on Apex. Just hit the link that's in the description. It'll bring you straight to all of your options and it should show you the coupon code down below, but make sure to enter that at the checkout page where it says coupon code. Once you enter, you should see a green check mark next to it. After that, you just click your agreements, accept, click next, and then make your payment. I appreciate all of your guys' support. And that's what we're here to do. So just please hit the like and the bell next to the subscribe button, and you should get real-time alerts. I appreciate it, and we will see you tomorrow. We'll try to do more of these trade recaps, and we'll improve the quality of them as we figure out what we want to talk about. And that's about it. All right. Have a good night, everybody.